Take a ride in the 2020 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.